the concept, the inner wisdom, the realization that all of this is illusion truly helps us source players. Really. Yes, we have to enjoy that illusion. And that's where it comes the choice. Are you choosing to be happy right here, right now? Or are you choosing to be in a lower frequency to let the matrix suck the energy of you by you getting sad because of the past, because something didn't work out, or in a few being anxious about the future because you don't know what's going to happen? Well, here's the deal. You know exactly everything because all and everything is right here, right now. So when you say, I don't know, that's already for you a sign that you are not in the present moment. Because everything that you have to know is right here within you. It's not here. Here you're just getting the database for this game to be in, to realize how you can win this game, how you can enjoy this experience, and make the choices beneficial for you uh, based on the knowledge, because wisdom comes from within. Wisdom comes in the heart. It's like I always compare this. For example, let's put it in astrology. The knowledge of the astrology is that you know what sign is what assigned to what. That's the knowledge. But the wisdom is to use it, that knowledge, for help. Use it for advantage of you, for all of us, not for your ego, okay? Because yes, zodiacs are a descriptions of our egos, but that's the label, okay? So yes, you can get stuck with yourself saying, I am a Leo, and that's why I like to sleep longer, or that's why when I walk in, everybody looks at me because I'm shining. And that's the ego, because on the end, only you think that that's how it is, because this is what you read. But do you really truly feel like that inside? When you are true self, you absolutely do not feel it like that. Because when you are true self, you know that there is no labels, no names, no words, no music, no melody. It's just a pure, harmonious, balanced energy that is reflected with the light outside.